What is an LSC trailer? The Lifestyle Camper trailer has a compact design, making it easy to maneuver and transport with any car. Fully equipped trailers weigh between 500 to 1,300 kilograms, so a Category B driver's license is sufficient. It operates autonomously using solar panels or other power sources. The trailer is made from eco-friendly materials. French formaldehyde-free plywood and water-based glues and varnish used children's furniture production. The Lifestyle Camper trailer is suitable for various types of travel: standard camping, wild camping, fishing, hunting, motorcycling, and cycling tours. Its convenience and functionality make it an ideal choice for family vacations or adventurous trips with friends. The Lifestyle Camper trailer can be quickly assembled in 5–10 minutes, allowing easy relocation in case of bad weather. It also offers a wide range of additional equipment and accessories to enhance comfort and convenience during use: side tent, circular tent, additional room under the awning with mosquito nets and floor, kitchen tent, shower room, roof tent, fan on air conditioner hatch, additional 20-liter water and gray water tanks, 2 types of mosquito nets for doors and windows, spare wheel mount, spare parking cover. The Lifestyle Camper trailer is not just a means of transport but a lifestyle for those who value freedom, adventure, and closeness to nature. Let's explore the processes of preparing a trailer for shipment to the Netherlands. For many, the Netherlands is a country of vacationers. Whether it's a camper or a trailer, strict rules apply to the camping process using vehicles or mobile homes, as well to as technical condition of the trailers. Lifestyle Camper ensures the highest quality of its trailers. All Lifestyle Camper products are certified. Each one undergoes acceptance testing to verify the functionality of all systems, ensuring the finished product is safe and operational. To this end, Lifestyle Camper products have been developed and manufactured under a quality management system in accordance with ISO 9001 quality standards. A critical stage in confirming the quality of our trailers is the acceptance testing. Using the Teardrop premium model as an example, let's walk through some key inspection stages. The date of the fully equipped trailer is checked against the customer's specified configuration. The trailer's electrical system, including internal and external lighting, running lights, switches, outlets, and other electrical connectors, is inspected. The gas-consuming equipment, in this case a single-burner stove, undergoes a leak and functionality check using special measuring equipment. Another crucial stage is testing the trailer body for wateriness using running water with high-pressure equipment. Lifestyle Camper provides a 5 to 10 year warranty of the trailer's body wateriness, depending on the material used. Here are the inspection stages using the X-Line Premium model as an example. The water supply system, in our case the external summer shower, is checked for functionality. Consumer capabilities and the functionality of multimedia, household, and climate equipment are tested. All measurement and test results are recorded in corresponding protocols, with each process documented by photos. Our company creates an extensive photo archive, allowing us to retrieve any information about our products at any time and trace any trailer's configuration. They take pride in the level of preparation of our products for use. Next is the preparation process for product transportation. The trailers are carefully packed and loaded for shipment to a Lifestyle Camper dealership representative. Lifestyle Camper trailers meet the requirements and standards of European countries, as confirmed by the European Community Vehicle Type certificate issued by the European representative of the Road Safety Administration, as well as the Ukrainian Vehicle Type certificate. Dive into the world of travel with LSC.